Today, I am reviewing the Epson Pro EX11000 3-chip projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First, let's talk about brightness, and Epson delivers big here. With 4,600 lumens of both color and white brightness, the EX11000 is bright enough to handle well-lit conference rooms or classrooms without struggling. Whether you're projecting spreadsheets, video conferences, or training videos, this projector ensures your visuals stay vibrant and clear, even when the lights are on. This level of brightness means you won't have to dim the room to get a good image, which is essential for productive meetings. The heart of this projector is its high-performance laser light source. Unlike traditional bulb projectors that require frequent replacements, the laser here offers up to 20,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation. This is a huge cost saver and a reliability boost. You won't have to worry about bulb burnouts interrupting your workflow. Plus, laser technology maintains consistent brightness over time, so your image quality stays steady for years. Speaking of image quality, the EX11000 produces a full HD 1080p resolution with Epson's signature 3-chip, 3LCD technology. This means it displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame, resulting in vibrant, accurate colors with no rainbow artifacts or washed-out brightness that can sometimes plague other projectors. So your charts, videos, and presentation graphics look sharp and true to life, which is critical for keeping your audience engaged. The projector supports images up to 300 inches, which is roughly 16 times larger than a standard 75-inch flat panel TV. Imagine the impact of a truly massive screen when presenting to a large group or hosting a hybrid meeting with multiple participants shown side by side. It's perfect for boardrooms, classrooms, and even large event spaces. Connectivity is another strength. The EX11000 offers built-in Wi-Fi with Miracast support for easy screen mirroring from compatible devices. You also get 2 HDMI ports and USB power to connect and power streaming devices like Fire TV, Apple TV, Roku, or Chromecast. This flexibility makes it simple to bring your own content or video conference apps without complicated setups or extra cables. Setup and image adjustments are hassle-free. The projector includes 1 to 1.6x optical zoom, a horizontal slider, and auto vertical keystone correction, which means you can quickly fine-tune the image size and shape to fit any screen or wall. Additionally, the built-in picture skew sensor automatically detects and corrects vertical distortion, keeping the image perfectly squared with minimal effort. This is a great feature for users who need fast and accurate alignment in different environments. Sound is often overlooked in projectors, but Epson integrates a built-in 16-watt speaker that delivers clear, rich audio without needing external speakers. This is convenient for smaller meetings or rooms where additional audio equipment isn't practical. Another impressive spec is the projector's dynamic contrast ratio of up to 100:000 to 1. This provides deep blacks and sharp detail that bring presentations and videos to life. Whether you're showing complex graphs or high-definition video clips, the added contrast enhances the clarity and visual impact. Finally, Epson stand behind the EX11000 with excellent award-winning service and support. The projector comes with a 1-year limited warranty, including full unit replacement if needed, and lifetime free technical phone support. This peace of mind is invaluable for businesses relying on uninterrupted operation. To sum it up, the Epson Pro EX11000 laser projector is a bright, versatile, and reliable solution for business presentations and video conferencing. Its exceptional brightness, true-to-life colors, wireless connectivity, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone who needs professional-grade projection with minimal fuss. If you want a projector that can shine in any room, from brightly lit meeting spaces to large conference halls, and deliver vivid, crisp images for years to come, this model deserves serious consideration.